Okay, so let us go on. Let us go and add the bootstrap or project, because whenever we are using a large project, definitely we can write, we cannot write all the styles. Okay, we can use any styling library. So bootstrap is a library already we are familiar. Okay, let us add the bootstrap to our project and use it. So whenever you want to use a bootstrap, first the wrong approach, dirty approach is, so get that links. So we know how to get the links, right? Go to bootstrap.com and copy those links. You can go to bootstrap 5 and you can search it and go here and copy these two links. So whatever the link it is there, this one and this link and two links. Okay, but the question is where you need to copy. Okay, so our as per the React flow, which HTML file first will be loaded? Index.html. You no need to import this bootstrap in all the files. But if you are doing the HTML, regular HTML, you might face the problem, right? You need to import that style in all the files. But in the React project, you no need to import in all the files. Okay, go to your index.html and inside the index.html, where we need to import it inside the head section. Inside the head section, go and you write anywhere wherever you want it. Okay, I'll import it here. And second link is I want to import the bundle.js link also. Let me import it here. That's all. I have imported two things. Okay, so now I can use it wherever I want it. Okay, let me remove these modules. I don't want my modules here, and I want to apply the classes. So whenever I am not using the models, I no need to use this JSX syntax and do like this. Simply I can write like. So now I want to write a BG primary. So what is my class name? BG primary. Okay. So let's save it and reload the page again. See, primary color. Suppose this is working or not, I want to verify. BG warning. Let's see. It's coming right automatically. It is applying. How many places I have imported my bootstrap? Only in one place. Okay. So this is a real advantage. You don't need to import in all the files. If you are importing once, you can use it to enter your project wherever you want to apply. You want to apply button color, border color, everything we can use. So this is the one. But this approach is not a recommended approach in the bootstrap, like in the React, because what is happening is, why this approach is not recommended here is, so where you are applying your links in the heading, right? Suppose if there is an internet problem, what will happen is, first whenever you are reloading your page, first it will go here and it will try to download these two links. If there is no internet, what will happen? These files will not import at all. That is the reason sometimes we are going to get a problem. Okay, and this is not a correct way to do it in the React project. So that is the reason I am going to comment out and reload the same page again. We are going to get a without something. Okay, then what is the correct approach? Since our project is maintained by the npm, because we have package.json is there, right? Inside the package.json, we can add a library. Now we will see how to add the bootstrap library. Not only for bootstrap, you can add any other library also in the same way. Okay, first if you want to any library, then which site we should go here? We should go to npm. First go to npm, and what is the library we want to install? Bootstrap. Okay, go here and check here, bootstrap. Okay, so there is a bootstrap is there. Okay, click here, and whenever you are clicking here, you are going to search some data. Okay, so here you can click on the bootstrap. So this is the one. So what is the version? Currently they are versioning 5.2.3. This is important. Okay, so we are using the latest version only. So if you want to install it here, you check here. Normally whenever you are adding any library, two things you should check it. First thing is, what is the license type? What is the license type? It here is a MIT. MIT means you can use it for any purpose. Public you can use it, private you can use it, any purpose you can use it. Sometimes here they will have a private license. Private license means you should not, don't use such license libraries. You or your company will have a problems. That is the reason you check the license type. So this is okay, right? And make sure that here there is a lot of downloads are there, because you are not using the outdated library. That is the reason. But bootstrap we have only one library. That is the reason you are going to get only one. Now how to install to my project? If you see here, so what is the command install they are giving, right? What is the command they are saying? Npm I means install. Okay, and what is the library name? Bootstrap. simply copy here, automatically it will copy. Okay, go to your project. Okay, go to console. I will stop the existing project. To stop the existing project, Control C. It will stop your project and type yes. Okay, now it is okay. Now just paste npm I. You can type I or install. Both are fine. Okay, I is a shortcut. Install is a long word. And type enter. So npm I bootstrap. What it will do? It will download that bootstrap library from npm to my node modules. Before installing, if I open my node modules here, if I open here, there will not be any bootstrap folder. There will not be any bootstrap folder. Let us see here, is there any bootstrap? So now the installation is done. Okay, now if I am going to reload again, reload this page. Okay, let me open here. Let us go to bootstrap BOO. Okay, see here. So who downloaded this library? Who downloaded? Automatically, who downloaded that process? npm. Okay, whenever you are saying npm install library name, automatically what it will do, it will download that library and it will do here. Apart from this, it will do another step also here. Okay, what is that another step is, we are now in our project we are adding another library. That library information also will adding into the package.json. Okay, if you see here, there is a green color it is showing, right? Green color means we are adding a new library. What is this library? It is a, what is the version we are adding it a 5.23. Right? Whenever you are installing any new library, you have to add it in the package.json. But you no need to do that. If you are typing npm I, and automatically that command itself, it will add it here. Okay, so suppose if I am writing npm install, then what will happen? I'm not installing any bootstrap something. So what internally it will do, this command will come to this package.json. Here it will check what are the libraries are required. This library is right. It will try to download all the libraries and place it if it is not available. If it is already available, it will not do anything. That is the meaning. Okay. So, but whenever in your project, whenever you are checking first time, you need to run this command npm install. This npm install will download all the required libraries and it will keep in the node modules folder. That is the usage. Now we have done it. We have installed the bootstrap. That is done. Let us start our project and check whether the bootstrap styles are applicable or not. Okay, so yeah, how to start the project? npm start. Okay, so once this is going to start, we will see the response. Let us reload. So the data is not loaded yet. Okay, not loaded yet. So the second thing is, whenever we are installing it, by default, the data automatically will not come here. Okay, the data automatically will not come to the here. So we need to link right. We have installed, that is okay, but we need to import that CSS into our project. That is the reason we have to import that reason. Okay, so go to your app component. Suppose I want to use it in all the entire project, right? So entire project, if I want to use an entire project, you can apply that component inside the app component. Okay, so where is my bootstrap library is available? Inside the node modules. Inside the node module, what folder? Bootstrap. Let us check whether that is correct or not. So node modules, inside the node modules, bootstrap. Let's go for bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Inside the bootstrap, dist folder. Inside the dist, CSS. Inside the CSS, here if you see here, there is a min.css will be there. Okay, so there will be bootstrap.min.css. One file is there, right? So this full location you need to give to app component. Okay, so that is what I'm now. You see, no styles are applied. Now I need to import the styles. So I am going to write like a same. This is not a module. This is a normal CSS only. So simply I can write like a normal way. Go to my app component, because if you are importing one component, that is fine. You don't need to import in all the files. Automatically the style will apply. So import to import the other class files, and where it is available, dot why I am writing is currently I am in an app folder, but this node is outside of my current folder. That is the reason I am writing a 2 dots here. Okay, and slash, what is my folder name? Node modules. After that, bootstrap. Wherever that is there, you give the correct path. That will work. Okay, let us save it here and reload the page. So Automatically yellow color is added, right? So like this is the second way you can add it. So the first way is not a correct approach. Don't use at all. Always go for the npm way only, because whenever we are going for offline also, this all files will be bundled with our project itself. That is the reason this is the best way than the first.